Today we will see how to transfer a playlist from Spotify to YouTube Music, so let's get started. I will leave this link in the video description. It's called Tune My Music. We simply click on Get Started, and it will ask us to select the source, meaning to transfer, for example, the playlist from Spotify to YouTube Music. So, in this case, since the playlist is on Spotify, we select this playlist and that's it. Once we are here, it tells us to put the playlist URL. For this we will go directly to Spotify. It is not necessary to enter the application directly. We can also access the website. Once we are here, we can use the search function to find the playlist we want. Let's suppose that I, for example, want this playlist. What I'm going to do is once I enter the playlist, I will click on these three dots over here and then select Share. Then, I click on where it says Copy Link to Playlist, or if this button doesn't appear, I simply copy the URL I'm on. If you're using the app, it's the same process. Simply select the three dots and choose Share, or you might not see the three dots, but instead this icon here. I'll zoom in so you can see it better. It's the one with the box and an arrow pointing up, and that will be the Share option. Once we have the link, we will return to this application, to this website, and paste the playlist URL here. In case the playlist is not a public playlist, it is important that we connect our account because the playlist we want to transfer from, for example, Spotify to our YouTube Music might be private, something from our account. In that case, we would need to load it from our Spotify account. However, if it is public, it will appear this way. Once we have pasted the link, we will click on Load from URL, and it will start loading. Here, all the songs will appear, and we need to make sure that the number of songs is the same. As we can see, we have 30 songs here and 30 songs there, so we have successfully loaded all the songs. Once we are 100% sure that this is the playlist we want and that all the songs are here, we will choose the destination. Once we choose the destination, it will load all the options we have to upload our music. In this case, we can choose YouTube Music. Now it will ask us to start the transfer. So once we have selected Spotify to YouTube Music, we click on Start Transfer. It will start loading and tell us how many songs have been moved. We just need to wait for it to finish loading and we will see that it is done. The option to open will appear, and when we click on Open, it will automatically redirect us to our YouTube Music account. I had already logged in, so it is already loaded under my YouTube account. In your case, it might ask you to log in, but don't worry, your data won't be stolen. It's just to correctly load the songs. As you can see, if I go to my library, I will have this playlist loaded. We can see it here, and I can click on it to see all the songs. However, there is a problem that sometimes occurs. The song names on Spotify might be loaded differently for some reason. So, for example, we had 30 songs to transfer, but it might show more or fewer songs, like 28 or 25. It will show which songs couldn't be loaded. The important thing is to go to YouTube Music, search for the song by the title we know exists, and then add it to the playlist to complete all the available songs. Sometimes not all songs are available. This happens more often when transferring from YouTube Music to Spotify because YouTube Music tends to have more songs due to videos uploaded by users and licensed by YouTube, whereas Spotify doesn't work this way. So, we have now transferred this playlist, and we can listen to it whenever we want. See you next time.